Hi everyone. Today we'll introduce how Connector is cutting-edge platform utilizing blockchain technology for real estate investment. So what Housing Connector all about? It's essentially an online platform powered by blockchain, Chainlink, facilitating real estate investment process. Its primary functions to streamline investment procedure, reduce dispute risk, and ensure investor protection action at a centralized hub. It connects a real estate broker with a pertinent property data, catering to those interested in the real estate market. Through its transparency and reliability mechanism, how connecting housing connector forges trust among its users. If you are an investor seeking a convenient and secure platform, Housing Connector could be just what are you looking for. Here a quickly overview how it operates, focusing on an investor perspective. Initially, you need to register and create an account, providing basic information such as your phone number and ID for verification purpose. For this demonstration, let's skip the registration step and assume you already complete. Additionally, you can specify your investment preference, include budget, location, preference, and property type. We have the system tailor recommendations to your need. On the platform homepage, you will find informative content about housing connector and trending property, advanced tools, and available for refining your property search based on the various criteria. If a particular property catches your interest, click on it provide detailed information curated by the Housing Connector team and reputable real estate partner. Should you decide to invest the property, you can proceed by clicking Invest button, where you will be guided through the necessary steps, including confirming personal detail and investing specific before finalizing your investment. It's crucial to carefully review the terms and conditions. Once confirmed, your decide is unreversible, irreversible. That you can change your decide. Yeah. So why consider housing connector your if for your investment? Primarily, it's utilization the blockchain technology set specifications from Chainlink ensure maximum security. This safeguard transactional data and user information, mitigating the risk of fraud and data manipulation. Ready to explore the possibility with Housing Connector? Sign up today and experience a new approach to real estate investment. Thanks for listening.